The Aecooly AirMate packaging is clean and modern, consistent with current accessory branding trends. Inside the box, you get the modular fan head itself, a USB-C to USB-C adapter, and a user manual. The inclusion of the adapter is practical, especially for users who might need flexibility in how they connect the fan to different devices. There's no charging cable or battery, which aligns with the product's pure fan head concept. Everything is designed around immediate plug-and-play operation. The first impression of the Aecooly AirMate is how compact it really is. It feels almost negligible in hand. The cylindrical design is functional, with a clearly defined airflow channel that narrows toward the output, suggesting intentional engineering around air velocity rather than just volume. The housing appears solid, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and adds a subtle premium touch. The integration of LED indicators for speed levels is a thoughtful addition. The USB-C connector is firmly integrated, and the absence of a built-in battery is a deliberate design decision. It keeps weight and size to a minimum, but shifts dependency to external power sources. Once connected, the Aecooly AirMate immediately demonstrates that it's not just another novelty gadget. The brushless motor produces a noticeably strong and focused airflow. The 4-speed control system works as expected, offering a meaningful gradient from a soft, almost silent breeze to a high-speed mode that delivers a sharp cooling effect. At lower speeds, it's suitable for desk use or light cooling during work. At maximum speed, it becomes genuinely effective for rapid cooling after physical activity or exposure to heat. The brushless motor contributes to a smoother acoustic profile. The Aecooly AirMate delivers impressive, focused cooling for its size, thanks to a brushless motor and efficient airflow design. Its ultra-compact, battery-free build makes it lightweight and instantly usable, though it relies on an external power source. With solid performance and practical 4-speed control, it stands out as a highly effective, no-fuss cooling accessory for on-the-go use.